Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable search suggestions on Bing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar. In the top right corner, we have the profile, and here we have everything about Bing, of course. And in the bottom, we, as you can see, have the, of course, news. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable search suggestions on Bing. So go to, of course, bing.com, as I told you, and locate the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, in the top right corner of the page. So it is here. Click on it. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu, which, as you can see here. And then when you click on Settings, select More in the drop-down menu. Then locate Search Suggestions and uncheck the box next to the Search Suggestions as you type. Then just click Save to apply the, of course, changes that you have just, of course, went and made here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.